Hey guys, let's start your Friday core workout. This is the gym version. I'm so excited. You're gonna do a dumbbell alternating double crunch on the Bosu, and I'm gonna show you this from a few different angles here. So I like to hold the dumbbell behind me. I have a medium-sized dumbbell. You can go light, you can go no dumbbell if you're worried about your balance. I probably wouldn't go too much heavier than this. So let's check it out. And line up on the Bosu. You want to be sitting and having kind of the first line right around where your tush is. And then, if you're taller, go down a little more. If you're shorter, you can go up a little more. But generally speaking, you should be able to look upside down and not lose your balance. So I'm putting my dumbbell behind my neck. Down. Okay, now we're going to do a leg lift off the Bosu. I love this. Being someone who had 2 back surgeries, I love having my back nice and supported and cushioned. So I actually put 2 Bosus down, one for my head and neck, and then the second one is really for my back to feel nice and supported. If you want, you can have an option to hold a really light dumbbell between your feet as well, but you don't have to do that. That's pretty advanced. Here we go. Be careful.
So here I'm showing you a few different ways to do this. Of course, I'm holding something sturdy behind me. And first I'm bending my knees in and holding that 5-pound dumbbell between my feet. This way is the hardest way, straight legs with the dumbbell between your feet. And then we can also drop the dumbbell. This is a little easier, but still very hard, very effective. Straight legs with no dumbbell. And then the easiest way of these 4 options is this way, with no dumbbell, bending knees in and out. Still effective, still awesome.
Exercise number 3, you're going to do ankle jumps with both feet together at the same time with an upside down Bosu. So this is really tough, but so awesome for the core. Start out in a plank, like this, and then when you jump in, I want you to really sink into it. So if you saw what I didn't do this, right? I committed to bring my feet as close to my hand as possible, and I really sunk into the squat, or this, whatever, the crouch stance. You can go as fast or as slow as you want to. You can pick up the pace if you feel like you're able to, and then slow down just to get the reps done, whatever you want to do. But that is your 3rd exercise. Enjoy this circuit, guys. It's going to be awesome. Have a good weekend.